Welcome to Axel and Pfeiffer GTV. Please like, comment down, subscribe after watching.